What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Make Life Happen, and I hope you guys are having a super blessed day because life is so good. So if this is your first time on my channel, this channel is dedicated to personal development, the art of imagination, and spirituality based off the teachings from Neville Goddard. So today I want to talk about be what you wish. Be what you wish. Imagination creates all reality. So there was a scientist by the name of Robert Millikan, and while he was a very young boy and he was still poor, he made a goal for himself to be great and have lots of security at whatever he did in his future. So he made a statement that implied that he was great and he had security. So the statement was, I have a lavish, steady, dependable income, consistent with integrity and mutual benefit. So this scientist, Robert Millikan, he repeated these affirmations in his mind over and over and over and over and over until he felt the sense of greatness and security. So he was able to repeat this affirmation and repeat it to himself until the consciousness of the things that he did not want were actually removed. So he put so much attention on this statement that nothing else could enter or permeate his subconscious mind. So Neville Goddard often says that everything in life is based on our attitude towards ourselves. So what do you wish to be? Are you allowing yourself to become that person? We become whatever we are aware of. So what do you wish to be? If you don't affirm that, it's not going to develop in your life. So come up with a statement or an affirmation that implies that you are the person that you wish to be. So you want to come up with a statement that is first person, present tense. For example, I am so grateful that I'm gainfully employed. I am so grateful that I am healthy. I feel amazing. So this statement implies that one, I am already gainfully employed, and two, I am healthy. I feel amazing. So with these statements, what we're doing is we're tricking our subconscious mind to think that this event already happened. And your subconscious mind does not know the difference if it's a real event or if it's a fake one. So you want to live your dreams as factual in your mind. So you want to act out and live out your dreams and your human imagination. So your soul imagining itself into a specific or a desired situation is going to result in that imaginary act. The purpose of Neville Goddard's teachings is to get us into a higher level of consciousness. So this is to bring out our best confidence and self-assertion. So whenever we do this process of imagining and our affirmations, we're going to discover that we are self-taught and we're self-healed. You're going to discover that the universe is on your side, but you have to control it internally. We are told the kingdom of heaven is within us. So as we affirm what we desire in consciousness, the world has to reshape itself in harmony. Your prayers will be granted. So in order to change your present moment into the state that you wish to be, you have to rise in consciousness. You have to rise to a higher level of consciousness. And you do this by affirming the person that you wish to be and then assuming the person of your wish fulfilled. Everything that you have is based on your feelings and your attitude. Now you may think that you got it by some physical act, but it was actually from your attitude to yourself. So your personal beliefs led you to take action, but it was your personal belief that started the process of manifesting, of your manifestation. So you're not going to be able to escape your current reality right now until you make some type of mental transformation. You have to transform, die to your old self and become the person that you want to be. So everybody is you pushed out, externalized. So everybody is a reflection of what you're thinking and what you believe. And you can easily check that based on your current environment and on your current friends. So you are the only person in your world, and everybody is just showing you a reflection of who you are. So you can be whatever you wish to be. If you want to be wealthy, then you affirm wealth, and then you feel wealth. And then the outer world is going to reflect what you're thinking about, and then your human company will bring you wealth. There's nothing wrong with your desire to transcend your current situation. So if you don't like your current situation, it's okay for you to change it. So we wouldn't make any progress if we weren't dissatisfied with who we are right now. So it is completely natural for you to go look for a more loving, a greater, and more beautiful life. Neville Goddard always preached self-help and for us to strive for the best concept of ourselves. So in order to reach this higher level and be the best concept of ourselves that we can, we have to go internally. And we have to affirm the things that we desire, persist in that assumption, and then live in the end. That's all that is asked of us to do. So at the end of the day, you can be whatever you wish to be, but you have to just do it. You have to apply the concept of imagining. It doesn't matter how many of my videos you watched. It doesn't matter how many Neville Goddard books you read. It doesn't matter. All you need to do is apply it one time, and you will experience it in your outer world. And then you will know that your imagination does create reality. But until you actually apply this, then your world does not change. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will upload videos every single Thursday. Stay tuned every single Thursday. Stay tuned for my next video. By imagining, we become. By imagining, we become. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, go out there and use your gifts and make life happen. Peace.